Hello and welcome! In this walkthrough, we're focusing on building a multi-step form using the Ionic Design Kit, a must-have pattern for smooth onboarding, clean checkouts, and organized data collection. Let's get to it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause or rewind the video anytime if you'd like to focus on a detail or catch something again. A multi-step form, or wizard-style flow, helps users move through a process without feeling overwhelmed. Instead of one long form, you guide them through a series of focused steps. Add in things like progress indicators and back buttons, and suddenly it's much easier to complete. With the Ionic Design Kit, the heavy lifting is already done. You'll find form inputs, step indicators, navigation controls, all styled for Ionic and ready to use. Designers can quickly put together a smooth visual flow, and developers don't need to recreate anything from scratch. These components not only look good, but they're practical and responsive, helping reduce user error and improve completion rates. If you're looking for the source files or code examples, those are linked on our website for easy access. Whether it's for onboarding or checkout, using the Ionic Design Kit helps you create smart, efficient form flows that make the experience better from the first click to the last. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.